Imagine waking up to a 2-minute summary of everything important that happened in crypto overnight. No endless scrolling or duplicate headlines. Just the updates that matter, with links to the original sources. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build this workflow using RSS.app. We'll pull news from multiple sources, combine everything into one feed, generate an AI summary, and deliver it automatically wherever you want. Let's start by creating our first source. Open Google News and search for the topic you want to monitor. I'll use cryptocurrency, but you can search for anything from Bitcoin to Solana. Once you're on the search results page, copy the URL. Now switch over to RSS.app and paste that URL into the RSS generator. RSS app automatically turns that page into an RSS feed, which is basically a stream that updates automatically whenever new content matches this Google News search. Now let's add more sources. Google News gives us broad coverage, but in crypto, important updates don't always start with news websites. Projects often publish announcements on their own blogs before anyone else reports on them. So I'll add a few official project blogs to make sure those updates are included. Exchange announcements are another valuable source. They're where you'll find new listings, delistings, staking changes, wallet maintenance, and other platform updates that can affect the assets you're following. Next, I'll add X. It's one of the fastest places to discover what's happening in crypto, with founders and developers often sharing news there before it reaches the media. I'll also add Reddit to capture community discussions and reactions. While official announcements tell you what happened, Reddit can provide additional context around how people are interpreting the news. And these are just a few examples. Depending on what you're trying to monitor, you can also add sources like YouTube channels, security blogs, regulatory websites, and many more. The idea is to bring every source you normally check into one place, so you can stop jumping between websites throughout the day. Once your sources are ready, we're going to create a new bundle. Add each of the feeds we've just created. A bundle combines multiple feeds into one continuously updating stream. So instead of checking Google News, X, Reddit, Exchange blogs, and project websites separately, everything appears in one place. Now let's clean up the feed with filters. Crypto feeds can get noisy very quickly. You might have duplicate headlines, sponsored content, token giveaway content, or posts that mention crypto without actually being useful. First, enable duplicate filtering. This helps hide similar posts when the same story is covered by multiple sources. If a major exchange listing is reported by 5 different websites, you don't need 5 separate versions of the same update in your briefing. Next, add filters to remove keywords you don't care about. For example, you might hide posts that include words like price prediction, sponsored, or meme coin, depending on your workflow. The point is that filters help you control what reaches the AI brief. The cleaner your bundle is, the better your summary will be. Now let's turn this feed into an AI-powered briefing. Toggle on the AI Brief button and navigate to the AI Brief tab. Here you can customize exactly how you want the AI to organize your updates. RSS app comes with several ready-made templates for different use cases, like analyst summary, so you can get started with just a click. Or, if you have a specific workflow in mind, you can write your own custom prompt. Next, open the Options tab and increase the number of posts the AI Brief analyzes before generating the summary. Then open the Schedule tab and enable Auto-Generate. Choose your preferred time zone, and how often you'd like a new briefing to be created. For crypto, we need to generate an AI brief at least 3 times a day, since markets run 24/7, and we want regular snapshots of what's happening without needing to constantly check the news. Save your changes, and RSS app will automatically generate a fresh AI brief on your schedule using the latest content from your bundle. Instead of reading dozens of articles, posts, announcements, and discussions individually, you'll get a structured summary that's ready whenever you need it. The final step is deciding what you'd like to do with your AI brief. For this example, I'll send it to Telegram, so every time a new briefing is generated, it's delivered straight to my phone. But that's just one option. You can also receive it by email, post it to Discord,
display it on your website using an auto-updating widget, send it to a webhook, or use the XML feed to connect with platforms like Make or N8N. And that's it.
Your crypto monitoring workflow is now fully automated. RSS app collects updates from Google News, project blogs, crypto publications, X, Reddit, exchange announcements, and any other sources you choose. It combines them into a single bundle, filters out duplicate and unwanted content, generates an AI-powered summary on your schedule, and sends it wherever your workflow needs it. From here, you can easily expand your setup by creating separate AI briefs for different goals. You might have one focused on Bitcoin and macro news, another for Ethereum upgrades, or even a personalized watch list of the projects you hold. Spend less time searching through dozens of sources and more time understanding the updates that actually matter. Try it today with RSS.app.